Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on getting to know the BricsCAD interface. When you open BricsCAD, you'll notice its speed and efficiency, even with large projects. Let's begin on the left side of your screen with the Palette Tool menu. This menu provides quick access to frequently used commands and tools, adapting to your current task, such as offering tools like the calculator, tips, and Civil Explorer when working on a road plan. Next, let's look at the right side of your screen. This is where the toolbar panel resides. It offers access to various toolbars with specific tools and commands for drawing, modifying, and managing your project. You can customize this panel to include properties, layers, attachments, sheet set manager, parameters manager, the file structure, and BricsCAD's 24/7 for support and cloud collaboration. At the very top right, you'll see the interface settings, which allow you to customize the interface to fit your needs. In the Home section, tools like Copy Guided and Move Guided make aligning and adjusting elements in your design. You also have quick access to properties, groups, and measurement utilities for efficient workflow. In the Insert tab, you can bring in various data types and even connect a map to your drawing by inserting a location. The Annotate tab helps you easily add dimensions and center lines to your drawing. For example, creating a center line is as simple as clicking a button and selecting two lines. The Parametric tab offers tools for geometric and dimensional constraints, ensuring your design remains accurate, like using the concentric tool to center one circle within another, or to connect two lines with each other, so once you move one of them, the other will move with the same distance and angle for an accurate design. In the View tab, you have multiple ways to view your drawing, which is incredibly helpful for managing complex designs. You can also click on viewports to divide the screen into two separate views, allowing you to work on different parts of your project simultaneously. Moving on to the Manage tab, this is where you can manage your project and customize BricsCAD settings, including layers, styles, and configurations. Let's take a look at the Drawing Explorer. As you can see, it provides a central place to manage all aspects of your drawing. And of course, in the Output tab, you have options to print or export your project as a PDF or various other file types, making it easy to share your work with others. In the Express Tools tab, you'll find a suite of utilities designed to boost productivity by streamlining tasks such as layer management, block modification, and text adjustments. These tools provide additional functionality beyond the standard commands, making it easier to manage complex projects and enhance your workflow efficiency. And there you have it, a streamlined, intuitive interface that's as powerful as it is easy to use. Whether you're new to BricsCAD or a seasoned user, these tools and features are designed to make your work faster, more precise, and ultimately more enjoyable. Contact us to get your free trial.